I think they're drowning out there. See if they come out the other side. Can't see anybody yet. Can't see anybody. I can see a spot. That's MJ. Hey, he's there first again. There's Lily. Oh, there she is. She's getting a bit. She's got blisters on her feet. Okay. Go on then, mate. Be quick now. Lily and Ethan haven't come out yet. I don't know where they are. We hope they're safe. Otherwise, James's fan will be a little bit upset. Oh, here's one. That's Ethan. Here's another. That's Morgan. Here's another. That's Lily. Hey, there we go. They've all got back safely. That's good.